As most of you guys know, first of all, what's up, Bread Gang? First video in Atlanta. Most of you know, if you watch my Instagram, you know that I just moved to Atlanta. We are here in Magic City, Atlanta. Kennesaw, Georgia. Yeah, nothing special. But we're one of the things I want to try on the channel, along with all the cool, awesome truck content that I have coming and already planned for you guys. Truck meets and new people on the channel, just a whole lot of cool stuff. Supercars, luxury cars, all of it. There's just so much. But something I really want to try and start doing on the channel is exploring and doing a little more than just truck stuff. So one of the things that me and my girlfriend are going to start doing is we're going to try new places to eat, and I'm going to tell you guys what I think of them. This is the first time I've ever been to Willie's. This is kind of like a Moe's, if it'll whatever, you see it. It's not focusing, but you can see it. Moe's and Chipotle, that's definitely me, but we're gonna try Willie's today and just kind of see how it is. Something I want to start doing on the channel. It should be kind of fun, so let's try it out. When we start these little
three fingers
restaurant reviews, we have three categories, kind of three categories. One, most important, which is sweet tea. Sweet tea makes the meal. You can't do anything without sweet tea, right? So, sweet tea is one. Sweet tea is one. Two, overall meal. And three, my favorite part of it. So sweet tea, I mean, solid 6.5. I mean, it was a little old, but
maybe you didn't catch them on a good day.
She's a little biased. She likes this place. Anyway, it's a good 6. I'm a very tough judge. So, I mean, I'll probably never give anybody a 10, especially in the sweet tea category. Tough judge. So 6.5. Meal overall, I'd say good 7.2, maybe 7.2. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. 7.2. My favorite part.
Better than most.
My favorite part of the meal was definitely the queso. Queso was, I mean, that's a like 9.5. I mean, rivals Moe's 100%. What do you come back?
It's a queso.
9.5. I mean, solid. Overall, probably a good 7.5, 7.2. I mean, somewhere like that. So, restaurant review number 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sure I came up with some great intro, some great title for the video today that has nothing to do with this right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below if you like these little restaurant reviews, because we'll do a bunch more of them. But let's roll the intro.
This is Brad, man. That's what I'm talking about.
What is up, Bread Gang? How are y'all doing today? So, again, if y'all enjoyed that little kind of, you know, funny test, you know, restaurant review, I might start doing some of those. It's just something fun, something new to be able to share with you guys. Today, I'm on the way. That's what I'm doing currently. It's why I'm not looking at the camera. I'm actually on the way to meet up with a buddy of mine. Some of you may know him off Instagram. I won't spoil it yet, unless y'all can see the thumbnail. But I am on the way. He's got a 2014 or 15, I can't remember, that looks very similar to mine, the 9-inch Mcgaughys lift. It's very beautiful. But it does look a little bit different, so I'm super excited. First day in Atlanta, or first filming day in Atlanta, this is what we're going to do. I've got some other great content planned for you guys. I'm actually rolling up on it right now. I don't see it yet. But I've got some great content planned for this weekend, but today, this is what we're gonna do. It's my first time out kind of in the city. I'm not directly in the city. If any of you are knowledgeable of the area of Atlanta, I'm kind of in the, you know, there's a big interstate that rides around, and that's what I'm kind of clinging to right now, is that big interstate. I'm not going into Atlanta yet. I'm going to save that for a whole different day, a whole different video, but we are going to hit the interstate. I've been told some very bad things about the interstate around here, so I'm going to bring you guys with me, and let's go check out this beautiful truck. Ooh, there it is. There it is. I know y'all can't see because it's not I know y'all can't see because it's not. Oh, there it is. Dang. So this is definitely one of those moments where I'm kind of starstruck. I'm like definitely fangirling a little bit. This is one of those that you've seen on Instagram a bunch of times and you've never actually seen it in person. And that's definitely one of those moments right now. So this is, I want to say, I can't remember exactly what it is off the top of my head. Here, let's look. I want to make sure I get this right. It is Slims_8. Of course, his Instagram link is going to be in the bio. He's actually getting out of school right now, so I told him I'd come meet him. I'm super excited. I want to start out by saying, one, it looks so much better in person, and a lot of our trucks do. I know he's going to get mad at me because it's dirty, but I want to take a look at it anyway. I mean, right away, you notice the powder coated lift. It's like a gold and a teal color, which I really like. And of course, if any of you are new to the channel, mine's a 2014 Silverado 9-inch lift 375s. My truck actually looks really good right here, surprisingly. So if y'all are new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, keep up with the great content that's coming from a new city. So, but it is, I'm sorry, it is a Mcgaughys. He's got the Mcgaughys upper control arms as well. His are like a, let's see if I can brighten this up a little bit. That's a little bit better. It's like a goldish, tealish kind of. He'll be able to tell me exactly what color. It's beautiful though. I love this. I mean, that looks so good. And he's got the little accents up here as well. I mean, everything's powder coated underneath. He keeps this thing really clean. I don't know what he's talking. I mean, the body's a little dirty because it was raining a couple days ago, but that is just, man, I love that. And you got the demolded sides. This is something I've never seen before, is the gear forged wheels. That was going to be a stupid comment. Of course, they're forged, gear forged with the amp tires. Huge shout out to JW Montoya. He's getting some amp tires. We got a 325 50 22. I want to say it's like a 35 1250 roughly on a 22, but I love the turquoise. The turquoise. God, I can't talk right now. The lug nuts, the spike lug nuts. I love that. And then he's got the frame accents in the back. Diff covers painted to match as well. We'll get him to start it up, see what kind of exhaust he's got. It looks like we've got 45-degree tips back here. And I love this. Maybe some Boost Auto Parts mirrors up there. I mean, this thing's freaking beautiful. Oh look, wow, it says right here on the tire. Look, 34, almost 35 by 13. Kind of what we're working with. Got a little stance to it. Not too bad. Little stance, Slims. It calls it Slims, but it's got some width to it. Man, I like this thing. We'll take a look up front real quick. Let's see, we got, of course, the 9-inch Mcgaughys. The spindles, I believe, are powder coated as well. I really like it. I can't tell if it's like a copperish kind of. I'll get him to tell me, but love the accents, man. I mean, black is really freaking clean. And again, I know he's gonna say something about me filming while it's dirty, but this black in particular, how new it is, there's such a huge difference between a fresh black and like an older, you know, worn black. I mean, your normal trucks that are black, you know, have that dullness to it, and this has just such a clean, just sleek shine to it. So I'm really liking that. It amazes me how simple of a change that, and this is something that I know I get a lot of comments on, and I'm working on being able to get you guys some, like I have. It's kind of hard to find them online, but the cleared headlights. So this is something I know a lot of people should do, and it's something I really like. And having just the clear side markers, not even changing the headlight completely, but just the clear side markers changes the look of a truck 100%. So this is one of my favorite things about the truck. Again, mine is the same way. If you can tell, mine are the clear side markers sitting over there. I'm working on getting you guys the same thing, so just be patient with me. Yeah, so give you guys a little bit of a comparison. I was a little mistaken, 10 inches on this side, and then of course mine is the 9. 10 and a half, sorry, 10 and a half, excuse me. And then you've got the 35 1350 versus the 35 by 15. Great way to finally, let's get out of the sun real quick. Finally see, I mean, are there 22 by 14? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's just, I'm telling you, every time I see it, the only difference is just that edge right there. Because that's all you get with mine. It's not like the tire is that much bigger. You've just got the squared off edge. That's all it is. If you added that squared off on the end, there's your 1.5 inches. I mean, there's not that huge of a difference, but I mean, you can tell I wasn't too sure you could tell the difference in the wheel gap, but you can definitely tell this is taller. So, and he hasn't, you know, hasn't had to cut his. I'm gonna get roasted in the comments for that one. Huge shout out to my man. His Instagram is gonna be in the description below, right at the top, underneath my Instagram, of course, because I want y'all to follow me. But huge shout out to him. Again, one more time, we are going to the, I want to say Caffeine and Octane, or if it's Octane and Caffeine, whatever the hell it is. It's actually at Perimeter Mall, I just found out. So you got your big State Farm buildings right here. There's a mall like right there. And that's where we're gonna be at on Sunday. If you're in this area, come find us. That's where we will be. Huge shout out to my man. Follow him. If you're not following him, I will come find you and make you follow him. Don't try me. I'll see you guys next time. Day 1 in Atlanta in the books. I love you guys so much. I don't have the shirt on today, but you know what it is. Let's get this bread.